Hello and welcome to Holistic Health. Are you ready to transform your life with simple yet powerful health tips? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of forest gardening and its holistic health benefits. Forest gardening is a low-maintenance, sustainable plant-based food production system based on woodland ecosystems. Imagine a garden bursting with fruits, nuts, herbs, and vegetables, all growing in harmony. This method not only feeds your body but nurtures your soul. By mimicking natural ecosystems, forest gardens create a self-sustaining environment that supports biodiversity, reduces soil erosion, and improves air quality. The act of gardening itself is therapeutic, reducing stress levels and boosting mental well-being. Furthermore, the fresh, organic produce you harvest is packed with nutrients that promote physical health. Forest gardening fosters a deep connection with nature, encouraging mindfulness and a sense of purpose. It's an excellent way to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, which is essential for overall health. So start small, plant a diverse range of perennials, and watch your forest garden thrive. Join our community and let's unlock the secrets to a healthier you, the natural way.